Mama, see the watermelon so I can play my cooking.
What have you got? Don't get yourself wet. I've got a good idea. Let's play with this Paw Patrol football.
I got a great idea.
What's your great idea?
I can play with my digger.
Your digger?
Yes.
Where's your digger?
And
In there. But it's been asleep all winter. Maybe it's still asleep.
Mama,
Yes.
open it.
Should we open it then? Are you ready? Let's undo the latch. Are you ready? Wow, there's so many toys inside. Guess what I can see? Guess what I can see? I can see a smiley face ball. Woohoo! What else can I see? I can see your fire truck.
I want to do a fire.
Wow, go on then. Can you get on it? I think that's a bit small for you now, isn't it?
See? Nino, fire!
Is that a bit small?
No.
Go on then, go. Just your size. Go then, push. It's a bit small, isn't it? Should we get some more toys out then? Yeah? What else is inside here? Let's see. Whoa, I can see your trike. Oh yeah, trike.
Mama, you're my green. I like the green bicycle.
A green bicycle, are you sure? What colour's a fire engine?
What?
And what colour's your trike?
Blue.
Blue. So what are we getting now? The green. The green bicycle. Is it in here anywhere? I think I can see it. Oh, it's all the way at the bottom. We can't get it. It's been here all winter. I've got a good idea. Shall we open the door? How do you open the door? Can you do it? Pull the handle across. Ready? What's inside there? Whoa, all your toys.
These are my bicycles. Ding, ding.
Yeah, ding ding. Let's get your bike. Come on then, careful. Come
I
on.
got idea.
What's your idea? Oh, it needs a clean, I think.
Mama.
Yeah.
I got this idea.
Oh, you want to get your trike out or your tractor out as well?
Yeah.
Okay, can you help me then? Can you help me then get the tractor? What do we have to do?
We just
Right, let's just take the seat off the top. And then, oh, it's very big, isn't it? Oh, this thing's stuck on top of it, I think. Look at all these things. Oh my gosh. You ready? Lift. 1, 2, 3. Hey, why are you inside there? Come on then. Where do you want to go on? Hey, look, there's a football stuck in it. Get the football out. Right?
I can dig it.
You dig it. Okay, then go and sit on it.
No, I can dig the water cannon.
Okay. Are you ready?
Go.
Whoa. You gonna pedal? Right, let's put the handle up. Let's do it. Let's fix it. And that one's on, and that one's on. Okay, we're up. Are you ready to rock and roll?
Mama, help.
Help? Why do you need my help?
Because I can't move them.
Okay, well you push them forward, don't you? With that foot. Hold on to the handle with your hands. Okay, and then push down. Now push with the other foot. Now push with this foot. Now push with that foot. Now push with this foot. Now push with that foot. Are you pushing? Oh, you're going to crash into your bike. Should we move your bike out of the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama,
Yeah?
I need your help.
Push, push. Not together at the same time. You push this foot first, right? Push that one at the top. Watch. Push that one to the bottom, and when that one gets to the top, you push that one. Okay? So push it all the way to the bottom. Push this one all the way to the bottom. Push it all the way to the bottom. You ready? Yeah. And now this one is at the top. Now push this one all the way to the bottom. Beep, 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 beep. Ah, where are we going? Oh my goodness, we're going to crash into the decking. Steer us that way. Steer us left. Left.
Now I'm clear.
Oh, now we're cleared.
Ooh.
You have to take the handles down then. Remember, these ones, unclip them, unclip, and we're down. Hello? Are you coming to join us? Come on then. Oh, first time walking outside. You're doing very well. Look at your sister, dude. Just stand up. Just put your hands on the ground. Look, are you down as well? Man down, girl down. It's got mud on it.
Yeah.
Well, just put your hands on the grass quickly, just on the grass bit. Right, now push yourself up onto your knees, quick, like an acrobat. Ah, you ready? There you go. You're not bothered about the grass, are you? What's that? Is that grass? Is that the first time you felt grass? Yeah. Come on then, let's go for a walk. Should we put your sister on the fire engine and see what she does? Yeah. Oh, it's very, very messy out here after winter, isn't it? Hey? It's still winter time here in Wales. Hello? Are you having a good time in the garden? This is your first time, isn't it? What's this? What's this? Wow, do you want to go on the fire engine? Should we put your sister on the fire engine?
Mama,
Yes.
I want to go on.
You want to go on this big bike?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Can you help me with your sister then first, and then we'll put you on the bike. Ready? Hold her hand. The other hand. Hold the other hand for me, please. That one. Ready? Say SJ. We're going on the fire engine. Ready? Are you on the fire engine? Yeah. Tell her how to press the buttons.
But they're not working.
Oh, they're not working now. It's because they've been outside all winter. Right, do you want to push her? You go behind and push her then. Say, hold on. Yeah, I think she likes that. Keep pushing. Hooray! Right, let's go for a ride. Woo, 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 woo. Crashy! Don't crash. Oh.
Ta-da!
She crashed though, you pushed her into the wall. Are you cutting the grass for me? I think your lawnmower needs a repair. Where are you going? This is a bike. Bike? You want to sit on the bike? Where are you going? Are you mowing the lawn? Ah! Nearly. Wait a minute then, wait a minute. Oh, look at this, it needs fixing. We've got a wheel, we need a chief mechanic. Who's the chief mechanic? Hey, can you mow the lawn, please? try it. Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh, there's bubbles everywhere. Catch the bubbles. Come here then. This way. Hooray! Push it then. Come on. Oh, you're not bothered about doing a lawnmower. Okay, do you want to see? You want to see the gnome? Is that who you're coming to see? Come on then. Come and see him. Who is it? Is it a gnome? It's a gnome.
Hapynus Henry. Yay!
I wonder what's inside here. What were you doing in there?
Mama, now it's your turn.
You want me to hide? Okay.
Mama, let me out.
Okay, you get out then.
You count. Mama.
Okay. Am I counting?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go
Go in
inside. Okay.
Mama, put that down.
Wait a minute, let's lock it in. Hey, you have to remember to let me out, okay?
Yeah. Mama, shoot.
Oh, whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello, can you let me out?
He's in here.
Boo, it's me! Thanks! Thanks for watching Hapynus Henry, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic videos. See you soon, guys.